Alright, so they've got these type of bazaars or markets. I think people just bring their crap out and try to sell it. That's very nice, huh? There's like a photograph. Wow. That's very nice. You have to find out how much that is. Ah, 多少钱? 多少钱?
多少钱的
？Yeah.
1500。
1500. Woo! Wow.
你多少钱要？
Oh, 太贵了. It's 很好看.
你想买可以。
She wants 1,500.
来看看多少钱？你给多少钱？
谢谢你。
啊？
It's 太贵了。
你说多少钱没？
你告诉我。
你能给我
Yeah, 很好钱。很好机票。
你按一下，你给我多少钱？你能给多少钱？
不知道。我问你。
我都说了，你想给我多少钱？
Yeah, how about 200? 谢谢你。
没事。
I said, how about 200? She said no. 1,500 yuan is 200 bucks, approximately 230 maybe. What I'm looking for every time I come to these things, I'm looking for something similar to my Happy Buddha. I have yet to find it. I've looked throughout Hong Kong and I've looked throughout China. I look at all these markets everywhere I go, and I have yet to find my exact Buddha, which makes me happy and sad. I'd love to have another one on each side of the piano, but I better not lose mine because I won't find a replacement too easily. Yeah, it was a very nice drawing, but yeah, I really don't need it. But you know, if the price is right. Yeah, see, those are coins, coin replicas of old Chinese coins. And then you get jade, fake jade, the good luck charms for your wrists. Different sculptures here made out of jade. Tea sets, pots, sculptures. You know, the thing is, you know, when I went to Yiwu, I mean, you can buy all this stuff for like 10 cents to $1 each. So none of this, although some of those pieces, like when I was in Hong Kong, I found a Buddha that I kind of liked, but I picked it up and it weighed about 10 pounds. And I was like, oh, something got broken. That means it's a party. What was I saying? Oh, so it weighed about 10 pounds. And I was like, there's no way I'm going to be hauling this around China for the rest of the trip. Plus, the woman wanted like $300. And she came up to me when I said no, and she was chasing me, and she dropped her price by like 80%. And when I said, no, I'm not interested, she said, well, give me your price then. And I said, I don't want to give you a price because I don't want it. And she got angry with me. She goes, okay, then the price is back up to the original price. I said, okay. And I'm going to sign off.